Hello boss, today I'm going to show you our new design Mods sofa. Actually this is model very special because you can see the armrest part and the corner. We have a mix some different texture of fabric. Like this is very short and this is the texture, the patterns, it's very special, right? So look at our design concept. Like this is Mods sofa inspired by the organic growth of moss. The modular design connects seamlessly to form of continuous and inviting landscape that is warm, enveloping, flexible, and natural. So like this time, we launched is a green color, just feel very organic, and also you can choose different color. Look at our fabric swatches. We have a many different color. You can choose any of color which is you like. So I hopefully, and also I believe this time like yesterday, we got very good feedback from other country and Europe and Asia. So I believe you will like it as well. Contact us.